Hi everyone, welcome to MASH Math. Today we are going to study chapter 14 statistics, exercise 14.3, question 3. A life insurance agent found the following data for distribution of ages of 100 policy holders. Calculate the median age if policies are given only to persons having age 18 years onwards but less than 60 years. So there is a life insurance agents are there. So they have the data distribution of the ages that 100 policy holders are there whose ages are between 18 to 60 years. Okay, so let's see. I have just copied on the column. That is age in years is given here in the question, below 20, below 25, below 30, below. So here number of policy holders are there. So there are two policy holders are there whose age is below 20. So there are six holders are there whose age is below 25. Here 24 policy holders are there whose age is below 30. So this is the question we have. So this question is a bit different from the normal question that we had been doing it. So see, this is also important question because these are little twisted or little different they are. So therefore this becomes a important questions. So let's see how to go about it. So first of all, they have asked us to find the median, right? For median, what is the formula for median? So median formula is lower limit, right? Plus then capital N upon 2 minus cumulative frequency divided by the frequency multiplied by the class interval. So in median, to find out what are the things we need lower limit and we need the class interval, right? So if you see here, do we have a lower limit here? Because there is no class interval only. So when there is no class interval, from where we will get upper limit and lower limit? Because how do we get class interval? Upper limit minus lower limit. So where is here upper limit and lower limit? So we don't have only any median class. So when class intervals are not there, we can't find out. So what we will do, we have to arrange them this. Okay, because there is no lower limit and upper limit. So we have to first of all arrange this into a class size in the continuation form. So for that, what we will do, just see the difference here. Here 20, here 25, here 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So everywhere the difference is 5. So what we will do, with that only we will make our own class size here. Okay, so we will make again the same column, age in years. So again we will arrange them. So now policy holders are between total 100 policy holders are there, and in that the age bar is between 18 to 60 we said. So if you see here it is 20, the difference is 5. So what we will take from 15 to 20 because they come under this only. So age is below 20. There are two persons are there whose age is below 20. So can we take between 15 to 20? So we can make that way class interval. So let's make it 15 to 20. Let me write down in blue. Okay, 15 to 20. Then 20 to 25, then 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, then 45 to 50, 50 to 55, 55 to 60. Okay. So then it becomes, see, our according to the question, below 18 and less than 60. So between that only comes below 18 and less than 60. So that age bar can come between this class size. So 15 to 20, 20 to 25. Okay. So now everywhere the difference is, it is 25. So already we know now. Here we can find out lower limit because we have upper limit and lower limit. So here this will be upper limit. This is lower limit. Okay. So this is solved. Now look at this column. So what is given? Total 100 policy holders are there. So total 100 policy holders are there, but then you see the frequency how it is given. It is going on increasing. Then finally total 100 policy holders should come, but instead of coming total 100 policy holder, that 100 is coming already inside the answer. So if you see in the introduction when I explained to you, I told you this, that summation of Fi or the capital N, that is frequency, the total of frequency what comes, that should be equal to the total of the cumulative frequency. So how do we find cumulative frequency? First number we write down, then with that we add this, then with that we add this. So we go on add, then finally the total we get it here, the last value. So the last value and the summation of frequency, it should be same, but then here you see the last value is here already. So that means this is not the summation of frequency, or you can say this is not the frequency, this is actually CF, cumulative frequency. That's why it is coming here, the total has come here. Okay, see here the total has come the last value. So here the last value 100 comes here, therefore this becomes a CF but not F. So our duty is to find out the F because we need F. If we know the highest frequency, then only we will find out the class median, right? So we have to find out F now. So how to find out now F or Fi, you can say frequency. So normally cumulative frequency, how do we find out? With the first value we go on add the next value, but here what we will do, with the first value we go on subtract the next value, just the reverse order. So what is 2 is here, write down 2 now. So from the next value you have to minus. So 6 minus 2. Okay. So 6 minus 2 will give us, or you can write down 6. Write down this value here and the previous one minus it. Whereas CF, what we will do? CF we were just going on adding the next value, but here we will go on subtract the next value. So then what we will get? 6 minus 2 will get 4. So now you see 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 we got it. That's our cumulative frequency. So now next 4 we have. With 4 you minus the next value. Okay, this is 4. So this is 24. So from here you have to minus. Okay, from here this we minus. Now from here we have to minus this. 24 minus 6 we have. So 18. Now from 45 minus 24. We will get 21. Then from 78 you minus 45. We'll get 33. Then from 89 you minus 78. We'll get 11. Then 92 minus 89. With 3. Then 98 minus 92. 6. Then 100 minus 98. Give us 2. So now you see sum of Ni and capital N equal to sum of Fi. So just calculate 2 plus 4, 6, 10, 16, 16 plus 8. So you will get here 100. So when you sum up, now you get 100. You see now this value and this value is same. So this is CF and this is your capital N. So now you have all the values now. So lower limit, you know how to find out. We have to see the highest frequency. So which is the highest frequency? So 33 is the highest frequency. So let's take the whole thing. Okay. So this is the highest frequency. So now CF we have, this is the frequency F value we have here, frequency is F. So from here we get the median class, this is lower limit, this is upper limit. So let's write down the values now. So this is lower limit, this is upper limit, and this is the frequency small f. Then CF we get just greater than n upon 2, just greater than n upon 2 we get the CF value. So let's write down, please you have to write down the detail terms or the full form of all these things. Okay, so L is lowest limit, so that is 35. Then n upon 2, n upon 2 is 100 upon 2, so that will give us 50. Then F is 33. Then H is upper limit minus lower limit, so 40 minus 35, 5. Then CF is just greater than n upon 2, so just greater than n upon 2, CF. So just greater than n upon 2. N upon 2 is what, actually 50, so just greater than 50. Or you can say, when you have found out this, just greater than this, that is 45. Okay, just greater than also you can keep in mind, or you can keep in mind like this also, median class you got it, then the CF will be just above that. Okay, all the value we have, put it now in formula. Median equal to L is 35, n upon 2 is 50, CF is 45, frequency is 33, H is 5. 35 plus 50 minus 45 will be 5 upon 33 into 5. So 35 plus 5 into 5, 25, 33. So you do the division, you will get 35. When you divide this, you will get 0.76. Then when you calculate, you will get 35.76. And it is what, actually age in years. So age in years, therefore we'll write years. So always the median will be central value. So 35.76, the median class you see. So 35.76 comes within this only. So that's our answer. Thank you and God bless you.